In the early 1960s, British Railways set out on an ambitious mission, modernising its fleet and saying goodbye to steam. By 1968, steam locomotives would be a thing of the past, replaced by a new generation of powerful diesel engines. And at the heart of this transformation, one of Britain's most iconic diesel-electric locomotives, the Class 47. Between 1962 and 1968, 512 Class 47 locomotives were built, making them the most numerous mainline diesel locomotives in Britain. Designed by brush traction, these machines were constructed at both the Falcon Works in Loughborough and British Railways. Under the hood, they packed a 12-cylinder Sulzer engine, initially producing 2,750 horsepower, but to improve reliability, this was later standardised to 2,580 horsepower. The result? A locomotive that was versatile, powerful, and capable of handling almost any task thrown at it. The Class 47s were true all-rounders. They could haul express passenger trains, tackle long-distance freight routes, and even take on secondary services across the UK. From bustling city hubs to rural branch lines, these locomotives became the backbone of BritishRail's operations. No matter where you travelled, chances are you saw a Class 47. Their adaptability made them essential, and they quickly replaced steam locomotives on many routes. So, did the Class 47 live up to expectations? Absolutely. Its sheer numbers and longevity are proof of its success. Despite some early teething issues, including engine reliability problems, later modifications ensured these locomotives remained in service for decades. Railfans affectionately called them brush-type 4s, or sometimes Duff. Love them or not, they were an undeniable part of British rail history. Their widespread use made them instantly recognisable, and, over time, they became a beloved symbol of British diesel power. As rail technology evolved, the Class 47s were gradually replaced by more modern locomotives. However, they didn't disappear overnight. Between 1998 and 2004, 33 of these locomotives were rebuilt with new engines and reclassified as Class 57s, extending their service life. Even though their numbers have dwindled, the Class 47 isn't gone just yet. As of 2020, 78 locomotives still existed, 32 preserved on heritage railways, and 34 still in mainline service. If you want to see one in action, visit one of the UK's many heritage railways, where these mighty engines still haul special excursion trains, keeping history alive for new generations. The Class 47 wasn't just another locomotive. It was a revolution in British rail transport. For nearly 60 years, these diesel giants have powered through the rail network, shaping the way we travelled and transported goods. And while they may no longer dominate the rails, their legacy is far from over. What are your memories of the Class 47? Did you ever see one in action? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey through railway history, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. For more deep dives into the world of trains, architecture, and all things forgotten and fascinating, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on another trip through history.